Safety review. Ford Ranger 2012 model. I've locked this door and turn a corner and realize my door just fly open. The door just fly open like that. As if I like something wrong, I unlock the door. I pull it in. I pull a next corner. Door fly open. Now the reason why I'm doing this video is to let people know. I used to have my son sleeping in the back here. Sometimes lean up on this door. When this lock on this door give up, that is it for this lock. Which meaning once the lock give out, the door will just fly open. So for users, for people that own this Ford Ranger, always put seatbelt on your kids once they're in the back and don't let them lean on these doors. I now realize that today. And I was very disturbed about it because I used to have my son lean back sleeping on this door sometimes. And or they might just pull a corner and realize, or if they don't have all the safety factor, seat belt on all the children, or they might just see them outside the van, because this is just what will happen. The door will just fly open, the door just not locking, the lock gone, and that is it right there. So I'm just posting up this video for owners of this Ford Ranger 2012. All you make use of this message all you get in here today. Thank you.